I'm Peter Miller. I'm a geotechnical engineer based in Auckland. I guess we were invited to be involved with the Parliament buildings. Historically, I'd had quite a lot of building experience with public buildings in Wellington. Subsequent to that, we're involved in the Museum of New Zealand. The Museum of New Zealand was a very challenging job because there were issues with the foundations, being able to make them sufficiently strong to carry the loads of the building, but also to respond to earthquake loading, where lateral spreading would impose serious loads on the piles, which needed to go down some 20-30 metres beneath the building. A solution that we developed was the use of dynamic compaction, probably the first time it had been applied certainly to that scale in New Zealand, where we were dropping 30-tonne weights from 30-metre heights. The level of compaction that we achieved, you can appreciate taking a 30-tonne weight and lifting it up 30 metres in the air and repeatedly dropping it is quite significant. And the soils, which were started off being loose, ended up being dense enough to found the building on shallow foundations. So substantial amount of energy imposed on the ground, and that energy dissipates with distance, but certainly is affected or is felt by people in surrounding areas. Interesting actually in that site that they measured the vibrations of the dynamic compaction up on the top of the meteorological site up on the hills nearby. So at that time I think I was probably responsible for one of the largest seismic events in the Wellington region for some time. I mean, engineers don't often get good raps, and I think this is a great example of just the innovation and the ability of New Zealanders to lead the industry.